Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload ID on Robinhood. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically here we are in the Robinhood sports articles and this is how you can send your documents in Robinhood. And basically, if you've been prompted to submit documents through the app, and basically you will be prompted to upload the documents in the mobile app, and in this case will be your ID. You will need just see the instruction to take a photo of your documents. So basically, you can verify your ID as you require. So you will need just to click on Take Photo Now. By clicking on this, or you can simply go to your Investing tab and take photo now. So after that, you will need just to select the type of document, and basically in this case, it will be your ID. And all you need to do is just to take the photo of your ID or the picture of your ID. And you will need just to follow on after that screen instruction to take the photo of your document. Otherwise, if you've been prompted like to have some to submit some other documents like PDF bank statements through the app, you will be able to do it by going to select upload PDF statement, and you will need just to download the most PDF statements from your banking institution app, and then you can do it on the card to pull up your files on your device, etc. And basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching. And basically, you can also use the secure file drop of Robinhood that they are using, etc. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.